Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to set text length in Excel using the data validation. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I'm going to create the one name list, and here I'm going to set the text length using the data validation for the name list. Okay, simply select the entire column. I select here entire A column, then go to the data tab. Okay, in data tools have a data validation option. Just click on. Okay, and here you can see the one dialog box is open, data validation. In settings tab, the first tab, validation criteria in allows, click on this drop down arrow and select the text length. Okay, so here you can see the minimum length you can set here. So I minimum set here 2 and maximum 5. Okay, and click on OK. That's it. The minimum is 2 I set. So if I enter only one word, so suppose I enter A and press the enter key, you can see the error showing the Microsoft Excel. This value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. Okay, it's not accepted. Okay, if I enter two word AD and press the enter key, it's accepted. Okay, now I enter, I set there in data validation 5 is the text length is a maximum. Okay, 5 text length so I enter here simply Priya. Okay, Priya is a 5 text length. Okay, so I enter, it's accepted. If I enter here Priyanka, okay, Priyanka is greater than 5 text length, so I press the enter key. See the error is showing Microsoft Excel, this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this set. So this is a way you can set the text length also using the data validation. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.